Hello everyone, today in front of me I have the Motorola One 5G Ace, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the face unlock feature. So open up your settings, then enter the security category, tap at the face unlock, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go with. The face recognition, I'll go with pattern, draw the pattern that I'm going to use, then redraw it to confirm. Choose the what notification will be visible at the lock screen. I'll make it so that none will be there. And now we can set up the face enrollment procedure. It is a very simple thing to do. You just place your face inside the circle frame over here and wait until the system says that your face has been scanned. So I will quickly do it off the screen. My face was successfully enrolled. Then decide the behavior that your lock screen will have. So if you would like for lock screen to be skipped after you unlock it, you can do that, or even set the lift to unlock feature as well. So now let me just go ahead and test this feature out. As you can see, my screen has gotten unlocked successfully. Now it is locked again, and I will align my face with selfie camera. And the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all. So, great success. Moving forward, the next option for today, it can be found at the display category of settings. It is called the night light, and once enabled, as you can see, it warms up the colors of your interface by tinting the screen amber, and therefore reducing and filtering out the excess amounts of blue light, which will lead to your eyes being less tired from the long sessions with the smartphone. Over here you can, as you can see, adjust and modify the intensity of the effect, make it warmer or cooler, and set up the automated schedule for this mode to be enabled and disabled. For example, you can set it so that it will be automatically activated at the dark time of the day and disabled first thing in the morning. So the next option that I wanted to show you today, guys, it is probably at the system category of settings, if I'm not mistaken. So not Google, let me quickly enter it. Just go into gestures, system navigation. So up until this point in the video, I've been navigating through my system using gestures, but you can set it to be 3 digital buttons, the more old school way of using the Android phone. So if you would like to use buttons instead of gestures, you can do that. I'm more of the gestures guy myself, so I'll set it back to set the things back the way they were previously. But as I mentioned, if you are all about this 3 digital buttons, just go for it. The force feature, it's a relatively small and quick one. Before I'll show you how you can turn it on. As you can see currently, my status bar over here does not show the battery percentage, so if I want to check how much power I have left precisely, I will have to open the control center. But if you would like for the battery percentage to be always next to the battery icon, just enter the battery category of settings, and in here turn on the battery percentage toggle. Alrighty, so fifth and final feature can be found at the display category of settings. It is called the peak display, or as it is better known, always on display. So just turn it on by switching this, by activating this toggle. Now we can go into its settings, change the clock style, thus change the design that we will have. You can also turn on or off the animated background behind the clock itself that you'll have at your AOD. Choose whether you would like for it to be activated from a tap, vibrate on touch, and block or prevent some apps from sending their notifications to the big display if you have some apps that you do not want to see the notifications from over there, like so. Now let's see how the AOD looks, and here it is already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.